What's your excuse? Now he's monetized on TikTok where he's literally earning money per video, right? If you're a guy that wants some help with this, link in the description, pin comments, apply for the inner circle. Let's see if we can help you out, right? The beautiful thing about a personal brand is you not only make money from your mentorship, your coaching. He's landed his first high ticket paying client already. That's paying him a service for several months. Right, we focus on high ticket monetization structure in a mentorship, but now he also has his brand and his content making him money as well. Okay, that's the beautiful thing about a personal brand. Now, the next brand that we got monetized in 2 months was a cooking brand. All right, this is a very interesting niche because a lot of people don't realize that this is a great niche. People love cooking and people don't even know it. People don't know that this is a very popular niche. This is why I said a personal brand should be something a problem that you've already solved. And some people don't realize that the skills that they already have, you can make money from the skills already. So before, right, this person never even made content, right? They were super shy and anxious, right? They were like, oh man, I don't know about content creation. When they first came to me, it was like, I don't know about content creation, man. It's like, cooking, content creation. How is it going to work out, right? They were working 40 hours a week and they just thought, content creation isn't for me. I remember they told me, and this person is going to be unnamed because of just privacy reasons. All these people, all the brands that we show you guys, these are companies, these are brands. So for privacy reasons, we're not going to be displaying their names ever. All right. You wouldn't want to work with me. And then I get you great results. And then everybody now knows who you are personally. You don't want that. Right. But they basically told me like, hey, content creation is not for me. They thought getting views would mean they had to act silly. This was another big, hurdle that they were so scared of. They're like, wait, you telling me I got to make content? Do I have to like jump up and down and all this stupid shit? Do I have to be a TikTok clown? No. And that's not what we did whatsoever, right? They thought that no one would be interested in learning about this skill. Like I said earlier about cooking, like some people know how to cook and don't realize that people want to see that. This person came to me and was like, I want to do this, but is cooking something that people would care about? What? Man, them cooking channels be making. Have you ever heard of Top Chef? Cooking is an unbelievable niche, crazy profitable, right? In terms of like a personal brand, all right? And then lastly, they had no idea how to make money other than working full-time for an employer. This person was working a full-time job, and it's like, how is there a way to make other money? Is this possible? They weren't even familiar with the idea that they could make money outside of their personal brand. And then voila, right? Around 60 days, the person goes, I started making fitness and nutrition content at the end of February. I just got monetized May 12th with currently 10.2 thousand followers. So the reoccurring thing about February is this when we started the personal brand mentorship, right? I was in the dating and self-improvement niche. I still am. More so self-improvement, not so much dating anymore. But like we started this personal brand mentorship at the end of February. So the people who are all in, like the first people to join, these are the people who, like believed in themselves and they saw me offering this because they saw me build my brand for 7 years. For those of you guys who don't know who I am, I'm FitXFearless. Built my personal brand to over 7 figures. As you can see, my 2 Comma Club 7-figure award. Been making content for 7 years. And, when I said, hey, I can help you do this as well, there were several people on board. All right. This is what the beautiful thing about building a brand, right? They went from 203 followers March 5th, right? To now today, 10.2 thousand followers in a matter of 2 months, right? 2 months, around 2 months, March to May 5th. Yeah. March to May 12th, my bad. About 2 months and 7 days. Okay. Around 60 days. All right. So what happened after? What was the cause of this, right? What can you guys take from this? Like I said, these case studies will be like a teaching thing for you guys, right? After, remember, this person, they never made content before. They were super shy and anxious. Now they can pump out 5 to 7 videos weekly, right? Something that they didn't even